This place is our showroom. There are many rework machines. And now I will introduce you ZM-R7220A. This is upper section. This is lower section. And this one is a camera. The upper section includes a hot air gun and a vacuum section nozzle. The lower section features adjustable hot air gun and infrared heating model. The optional platform is movable. Now let me show you how to use this machine. The first step is secure the PCB board. The second step, we select a temperature profile. And then we put the BGA on the PCB. Use the red dot, location the place. Start. We open the camera. Zoom in. And now we finish. We can see the temperature on the screen. And now it's finished. So this is the end of the demo video. Bye bye!